taking into consideration non-work days, such as public holidays, is a really important thing to be mindful of. Failure to do so could mean that your workforce becomes very, very upset with you. In this video, we'll show you how, using Microsoft Project, that you can show and nominate non-work days in your schedule. It's easier than you think. In this particular example, let's say that there is going to be a public holiday which is to occur on the 5th of August 2024. So when we look at our schedule here, it's going to occur in this task over here, which is schedule regular meetings for updates and coordination. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is to select the project tab and then select change working time. And we said it was going to be the 5th of August, so let's select the 5th of August. It's the Monday there, and then we can write in public holiday, or you can really give it any sort of description that you like. The start and finish dates are confirmed. It's only one day for this public holiday, then click OK, and then you'll notice that our task has moved and that the finish date for this task now has been extended from the 8th of August to the 9th of August. So very, very quick and easy. Now let's say, for instance, you would like to nominate a regular day where no work is undertaken for this project. You do the same thing. You'd actually go to your project tab, click on change working time, and you can already see here that the Saturdays and Sundays are already blocked out. And that's because we're using the standard project calendar here. Now you can select a night shift, a 24-hour project calendar, and you can even make custom calendars here according to your staff. But we're going to stick with the standard project calendar, and we are going to, instead of exceptions tab at the bottom of this dialog box here, select work weeks. And then you can, using the details button here, outline what you want to do. So let's say, for example, every Monday we're going to give our staff the day off. So Monday, set those days to a non-working time, select OK, and you'll notice here that the Monday is also highlighted or shaded in that non-working shaded color there, along with the Saturday and Sunday. Now, if you were to click OK, you'll automatically see that our schedule has increased. Well, it's effectively increased by 20% because we have increased the overall time frame because we're not doing any work on Monday. Now, to change that, you can go back to change working time, click on work weeks, detail, and then once again, if you change your mind, you can use project default times for these days, and you can see it very faintly there, the usual working hours, 8 to 12 and 1 to 5 in the during the day. Click OK, click OK again, and you'll see that it has returned to a 5-day working week. So Microsoft Project, very, very flexible. It can almost cater for any type of work week scenario. Thank you for listening to Performance with Project. We'd love to hear from you again. Please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.